ఆపరేషన్ సింధూర్పై త్రివిధ దళాల అధికారులు మీడియా సమావేశం నిర్వహించారు. అక్కడి నుంచి లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
शुरू होने के ठीक पहले राष्ट्रकवि रामधारी सिंह दिनकर की जो कृष्ण की चेतावनी है उन पंक्तियों को सामने रखा गया और कहा गया कि याचना नहीं अब रण होगा, जीवन जय या मरण होगा। कल शिव तांडव स्रोत के जरिए दुश्मन को संदेश दिया गया था और आज राष्ट्रकवि रामधारी सिंह दिनकर की इन प्रमुख पंक्तियों के जरिए ये किस तरह के डिटरेंट को क्रिएट किया जा रहा है, किस तरह के मैसेज को दिया जा रहा है, इसको थोड़ा इलेबोरेट करके अगर आप बताएं तो जाहिर तौर पर ये संदेश और व्यापक तौर पर जाएगा। और एक छोटा सा सवाल मेरा यह है कि ड्रोन अटैक को लेकर जो बातें सामने निकल कर आई हैं, एक बहुत हाइप क्रिएट था टर्किश ड्रोन को लेकर, TB2 और उसके तमाम ड्रोन को लेकर। ऐसा लगता है कि वो हाइप और ओवररेटेड ड्रोन जो है वो भारत में धराशायी हो गया, एक मैसेज दुनिया को चला गया कि अब हाइब्रिड वॉरफेयर में इसकी औकात नहीं बची है।
ओके, ऑल राइट, ओके, थैंक यू। आपने क्या नाम बताया अपना और किस एजेंसी से हैं? न्यूज़ नेशन से। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपकी हिंदी सुनकर और हिंदी कविता सुनकर। तो मेरे कलीग ने अभी बताया, आई थिंक आई मेंशन्ड येहा टू बी चाइनीज origin. I would like to correct myself. The Yeha drones are of Turkish origin. So that comes to your question. All right, चूंकि आपने शुरू किया श्री रामधारी सिंह दिनकर जी की कविता से, हमारे राष्ट्र कवि रहे हैं, और क्या संदेश दिया जा रहा है, तो मैं बस आपको रामचरितमानस की एक कुछ पंक्ति याद दिलाऊंगा, आप समझ जाएंगे। तो याद कीजिए वो पंक्ति जो है, विनय न माने जलधि जड़, भय 3 दिन बीत, बोले राम सकोप तब, भय बिन होए न प्रीत। तो समझदार के लिए इशारा ही काफी। और जहां तक ये ड्रोन, टर्किश ड्रोन्स का सवाल है, आपने देखा किस तरह के रेकेज यहाँ पे फोटोग्राफ्स हमने दिखाए हैं, चाहे वो टर्किश ड्रोन्स हो या और कहीं के भी ड्रोन्स हो। हमारे काउंटर यूएस सिस्टम्स, हमारे ट्रेन्ड एयर डिफेंस ऑपरेटर्स पूरी तरह सक्षम हैं, और हमारी देश की जो इंडिजिनस कैपेबिलिटी है काउंटर यूएस के लिए, उसने दिखा दिया है कि चाहे किसी भी तरह की टेक्नोलॉजी आ जाए, हम उसको काउंटर करने के लिए तैयार हैं। और मुझे बोलने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपने खुद ही अपनी आंखों से देखा है हमने इनका क्या हश्र किया है। धन्यवाद।
All right. 226.
Sir, Aditya Raj called from TV9 Network. Yesterday, the DG ISPR came out with a press conference, and while you have been continuously providing satellite images and proofs, undeniable proof really, of the airstrikes that happened and the damage that is caused, there's no evidence coming in from the other side. What do you think is there? Are they trying to bluff their people? Are they trying to build some kind of a propaganda for the anger that domestically is there in Pakistan? And secondly, related question, you mentioned Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists. The brother of Maulana Masood Azhar, Rauf Asghar, who was killed. Pakistan DG ISPR is trying to build a propaganda where he's saying that Lashkar-e-Toiba, Rauf from Lashkar-e-Toiba was at the entire funeral, but he's saying that he's alive, and they're trying to confuse the people because the two names are similar. The Jaish chief, who's the brother of Maulana Masood Azhar, and the Lashkar guy who was with the Pakistan army at the funeral. So could you clarify what has really happened? Because there is a lot of propaganda and information warfare happening from the Pakistan side. Thank you.
I think the first part of the question you have answered yourself. I need not delve more on it. Why they are doing what they are doing, information is not forthcoming from there. Obviously, that is expected, and they would do whatever it takes to assuage their people and minimize whatever information about the damage comes out. Here, I would like to clarify, as I said yesterday, our fight is with the terrorists. Our fight is not with the Pakistan military or Pakistan civilians. So that is very clear, and we are very clear in our targeting. So coming to the second part of your question as to what media or what propaganda spin the other side is trying to make out a story. well, it is for them to answer, and it really is not a military question for us to answer here. We've done our job, we have done what we are expected to do, and that is it.
I'll come this side, 249.
सर, मैं पूनम पांडे हूँ नवभारत टाइम्स से। पाकिस्तान ने जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की थी उसमें एक सेंटेंस उन्होंने यूज़ किया था कि दिस इज़ न्यू आर्ट ऑफ वॉर। तो हम सब ने देखा, शायद पहली बार देखा कि किस तरीके से आसमान में दोनों एयरफोर्स के एयरक्राफ्ट थे। क्या आप बता सकेंगे, क्योंकि हम जो लगातार जब कवर करते हैं हम देखते हैं 2016 में के बाद ड्रोन का जो पूरा वॉरफेयर में रोल है वो दिखा था, तो हमने भी वो दिखाया, और किस स्तर की ये वॉर थी? अगर थोड़ा आप क्लैरिटी दे सकें कि कितने एयरक्राफ्ट उनके इन्वॉल्व थे, लगभग कितने हमारे थे, क्या इसे अब तक का सबसे बड़ा जो जंग हुई है आसमान में वो कहा जा सकता है? और ड्रोन के रोल पे थोड़ा और ज़्यादा, क्योंकि 2016 के बाद जिस तरीके से बढ़ा है।
देखिए, जैसा मैंने कल कहा था कि इस लड़ाई के डिटेल्स अभी हम शेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें काफ़ी कुछ ऑपरेशनल डिटेल्स होंगे। कितने जहाज थे दोनों तरफ से, किस तरह की लड़ाई हुई, these are questions of technical details which we may not be able to share firstly, and which we may not be able to share to explain to you the way it needs to be explained. Suffice to say कि yes, ये एक दूसरी तरह का वॉरफेयर था, and it is bound to happen. हम लोग पिछली लड़ाई, अगली जो कभी भी लड़ाई होगी, भगवान करे ना हो, लेकिन अभी यदि हुई तो ये पिछली लड़ाई की तरह नहीं होगी। हर एक लड़ाई जो है अलग तरीके से लड़ी जाती है, और टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट्स हो रहे हैं। हम भी उस एडवांसमेंट्स के हिस्सा हैं, हमारे एडवर्सरीज भी हिस्सा हैं। सो इट इज़ अ कैट एंड माउस गेम, एंड यू हैव टू बी अहेड ऑफ द कर्व टू बीट योर एडवर्सरी. So that is what is going to happen. So if you ask, was this different? Was this engagement different? Definitely it was different. And a lot of new aspects have come out, but we were prepared for it, we were trained for it, and we were equipped for it. That is the only aspect that I can share with you at this time. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the last question, 161.
Hi, sir. Thank you, sir. Snesh Philip here from the print. So the social media, the Twitter is abuzz with the fact that we hit a site called Kirana Hills, which is supposed to be the nuclear storage facility. And there is a lot of rumors about Sargodha. There are foreign analysts who've mentioned that the Sargodha attack led to certain leaks. Is there a confirmation that we actually hit Kirana Hills, or we were careful of not to do any such thing? Thank you.
Thank you for telling us that Kirana Hill houses some nuclear installation. We did not know about it. Okay. And we've not hit Kirana Hills, whatever is there. Okay. I did not brief in my briefing yesterday. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. As I said yesterday, as I said earlier and yesterday, it is difficult to take everybody's questions, and the DGMers have to reach somewhere right now. So thank you for coming. Please send in your questions on paper. We will definitely answer them. Thank you.
పీఓకేలో భారత చేపట్టిన ఆపరేషన్ విజయవంతమైందని భారత రక్షణ అధికారులు తెలిపారు. ఆపరేషన్ సింధూర్ విరామం తర్వాత యుద్ధానికి సంబంధించిన కీలక విషయాలను భారత రక్షణ అధికారులు వెల్లడించారు. ఉగ్రవాదుల శిబిరాలే లక్ష్యంగా భారత సైన్యం దాడి చేసిందన్నారు. పాక్ భూభాగంలో జరిగిన నష్టానికి ఆ దేశమే బాధ్యత వహించాలని ఏకే భారత్ స్పష్టం చేశారు. ఉగ్రవాదానికి పాకిస్తాన్ అండగా నిలిచిందన్నారు. అందుకే యుద్ధానికి దిగామని తెలిపారు. భారత పౌరులను లక్ష్యంగా చేసుకుని ఉగ్రవాదులు దాడులు చేస్తున్నారని అన్నారు. పహల్గాంలో అమాయక పౌరులను పొట్టన పెట్టుకున్నారని అందుకే ఏరివేత మొదలుపెట్టామని తెలిపారు. వివిధ రకాల ఎయిర్ డిఫెన్స్తో పాకిస్తాన్ దాడులను అడ్డుకున్నామని అన్నారు.